Hey, how you doing? Austin here. So, is a Shiba Inu rally soon? Is it on the horizon? That's what we're going to talk about, and we're going to look at a piece of content that has some price analysis, some TA, some technical analysis in it, and kind of look at what this scenario might look like. Not look at, look like. There you go. This video is for entertainment purposes only. As always, thank you for your support of myself, my channel, my videos. I greatly appreciate you. And so let's look at this. And before we actually look at this piece of content, we're going to look at the current look at the state of the current state of the union. We're at 2.48 trillion. We're up 1.15%. Bitcoin and Ethereum are up about 1.5% respectively, give or take. And if we take a look real quickly at Shiba Inu, it is showing right here, right now, 0.71, but really the price action is 3917. Okay, so in the last 24 hours, we've dipped to 3825 and we've gone up to 4152. Really tight range there. Okay, so let's look at this piece of content with that in mind. Okay, so SHIB price analysis, the SHIB token drops to the 0.618 fib retracement level. Will the rally continue? Start moving now. Okay. So this is really relevant, so bear with me. There's a few things you need to really remember out of this. So the correction phase of the SHIB token took its sweet time to stabilize. I would agree. Okay, it's definitely taken some time, but it looks like this 3, 5, 6 range that we touched in a chart below you're going to see was our bottom line basement support level. And we got a couple of things going on from a technical analysis perspective that bring us back to that point in a minute. Okay, so it has been dropped to the 0.618 fib level, which has the potential to provide strong support. Over the past week, the token price has also been subjected to some positive news, which has attracted the attention of several crypto investors. So we have been able to obviously continue to add holders, etc. So some key points: the SHIB token price obtains dynamics resistance from the 20-day EMA. The intraday trading volume of the SHIB token is 2.35 billion, indicating a 41.5% gain. So a tremendous uptick in volume. And you can look right here on this chart. See right here where my cursor is. This is a 3-5. Let me make this a little bit bigger for you. Let me make this let's see. Does that make it a little bit bigger? Let's see. I think it's better. Okay. So there you go. All right. So we've got right here, you see where my cursor is. That's that 3, 5, 6 level. You can see we've bounced off of that. Okay. We've also got a downward trend here, but this is the yellow line is our 20-day EMA. The blue line is our 100-day EMA. Okay. So those are things you need to remember. Okay. So back to what this particular author talked about. In his previous article on SHIB USD, the token price gave a bearish breakdown from the symmetrical triangle of the 4-hour time frame. This pattern pushed the token price back to the crucial support of 0.356. Okay, it's right there. See this where my cursor is right here pointing, 356. Okay, which also holds a great confluence with other technical levels. These technicals are a strong horizontal support level of 0.356. Okay, and by the way, we're at 0.3916 right now. Remember right here, this is where we're at. So we've already bounced back up off of that, okay? The presence of the 0.618 fib level and the 100 EMA line soon to be reaching the token price. The crucial levels, 20, 50, 100, and 100 still maintain an uptrend in this token. The RSI, 43, suggests a bearish trend within this token, okay? However, the RSI line also projects a bullish divergent, indicating the bears are trying to take control over the token, and it would feel as though they are. Okay, so looking at the 4-hour time frame, moving on. Okay, so we have talked about the importance of the bottom level, that point right here, 0.356. Okay. Also understandable that a breakout from this level would create a significant impact on the SHIB token price. Again, that's our bottom level. And that's where, and if you look at this price, if you look at this chart, you see how you've got this line that's, I think this is a 4-hour chart is what he said. This line, this downward line obviously showing, and then we've hit and bounced twice off of the 3, 5, 6, 4, continue to bounce. But also notice how the pattern is getting tighter as we move down towards that, again, that 3, 5, 6. So it's showing that we could be about to bounce back up off of those. Okay, so we've had some announcements, obviously Newegg and surpassing 1 million wallet holders. So thus here's where it comes down to. The price in case the price bounces back from the support level of 3564, which it has. Okay, the crypto trade can notice the 20-day EMA line, and a descending trend line provides dynamic support to the price. Okay, once the price breached this level, the long trader would get an excellent confirmation for the long side. So if we continue to basically break out and move up, then it looks like we can get some positive bullish momentum, break through these resistance and kind of begin to move this back up and continue and basically put together a rally. I would add into this, it looks like it's doing that, okay? By the way, notice the volume right here is down a little bit for sure. It's down 44%. But also I would point out, bringing you back to where we started, the overall market is trading a little bit flat. And by the way, the fear and greed index is definitely on the fear side. There's still a lot of fear, anxiety in the market. So we'll have to see how this all plays out. But it would seem, though, we've hit this level, this really bottom line level of support, which I've talked about in previous videos where we were in the 4, and I said, look, our basement support levels will be in the 3s. We've done that, and now it looks like we may be poised. And everybody seems to be agreeing that the first week of December is when we should start to see some pretty significant beginnings of bull runs that's going to start with Bitcoin, Ethereum, obviously, and proliferate, beyond into the other tokens and coins that are in the top and in general, right? And so that's really what I wanted to convey to you, is show you that piece of content and kind of leave you with that. All right, with all that said, have a good one. I will see you later. Go make some money.